Have you ever wondered how we measure the concentration of substances in a solution just by using light? Welcome to this video, where we'll explore the fascinating world of colorimeters. A colorimeter is a device that measures the absorbance or transmittance of light in a solution. It determines the concentration of a solute by analyzing how much light is absorbed. For instance, in a medical lab, a colorimeter can be used to measure the glucose concentration in blood samples. A colorimeter works in a stepwise process: light source, filter, cuvette holder, absorption, detector, and display. If we increase the concentration of a colored solution, it will absorb more light and transmit less, following Beer-Lambert's law. Colorimeters are used in various fields: medical testing for blood analysis, water quality control, food and beverage industry, pharmaceuticals. Colorimeters have advantages, such as being simple to use and highly accurate, but they also have limitations, like not analyzing colorless solutions. To summarize, a colorimeter is essential in scientific research and industrial applications, helping us measure concentration using light.